Hello friends, so today's story is The Hidden Library. In the quaint town of Willow Creek, nestled between rolling hills and the sparkling river, stood an old school with a rich history. Willow Creek High was known for its passionate teachers, eager students, and an air of mystery that surrounds its ancient library. This wasn't just a library, it was said to be the enchanted, holding the secrets of limitless study. Among the students was a curious boy named Lucas. Lucas had a voracious appetite for learning and often spent his time exploring the school's dusty corners and forgotten rooms. His best friend Emma was his loyal companion on these adventures, sharing his love for overcoming secrets. One rainy afternoon, as Lucas and Emma roamed in the dimly lit halfway, they stumbled upon a door they had never noticed before. It was tucked away behind the thick tapestry depicting the town's history. The door was small, almost hidden, and seemed to whisper the invitations of discovery. With hearts pounding in excitement, they pushed upon and found themselves in the forgotten part of the school. The room was filled with old bookshelves, cupboards hanging with curtains, and thick layer of the dust covering everything. In the center of the room stood an ornate wooden desk, and behind it a grand bookshelf that reached the ceiling. This wasn't any ordinary bookshelf, it seemed to glow with the faint eternal light. Lucas and Emma approached the bookshelf, and as they did, the books began to shift and rearrange themselves. A single book floated down and labeled softly on the desk. Its cover was made of worn leather, and it was titled Read The Secrets of Willow Creek. With trembling hands, Lucas opened the book. Inside, they found stories of past students who had discovered the same library and had gone on to achieve great things. The book was filled with pages that seemed to come alive, showing images of the words that taught lessons beyond the ordinary curriculum. There were secrets of sciences, mysteries of history, and the wonders of literature, all waiting to be discovered. The more they read, the more they realize the library's magic wasn't just its books, but it was the way it connected knowledge to the real world. Lucas and Emma began visiting the hidden library every day, learning about subjects that fascinates them and applying that knowledge in creative ways. They conducted experiments, wrote stories, and even solved some of the town's long-standing mysteries. Their grades improved, but more importantly, they developed a deep love for learning. They shared their discoveries in their classmates, and soon the entire school was buzzing with curiosity and excitement. Teachers noticed the change and encouraged students to follow their passions, integrating the newfound knowledge into their lessons. Word of Willow Creek High transformation spread, and soon educators from other towns came to see the remarkable change. The hidden library had not only enriched the students' mind, but also rekindled the love of learning that spread like wildlife. Years later, Lucas and Emma, now grown and accomplished in their fields, returned to the Willow Creek. They found an old door still there, still whispering invitations of discovery. They knew that the magic of hidden library would continue to inspire the future generation, just as it had inspired them. The story of Lucas and Emma reminded everyone that education wasn't just about textbook and exams. It was about the thrill of discovery, the joy of learning, and the magic that happens when knowledge and curiosity collide. And in the heart of Willow Creek, that magic would live forever,